What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, guys, I got an eBay lip on. Actually doesn't look bad, you know? For eBay lip, 60 bucks. Not too bad. Today, guys, I'm just gonna wash this car right now because tomorrow we got a cruise set up and we got some work to be done on the car. So tomorrow we're gonna, tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and get some brakes installed, put my new wheel and tire setup on. I'll show you guys in a moment, but I'm gonna wash this car quick, make it look decent, because we got some stuff coming up. Look at that meat. So there's that many people coming here, and then what? They're rolling out where? Ah. And there's that 240 or that 235. I think so. That rotor is fucked. All that brake boosting, boys. Look how bad that is. The pad isn't terrible though. I just switched it last year, but let's get the other one on. Sheesh, look at that meat. Brakes, rotors are done on this side. Got the rest to go. It's gonna look good, I think.
It's not that side.
It's not the other side because it's a Euro.
Oh! You have to hold it down for a while.
Dude, this thing is freaking nice.
What the fuck is the point of this? It's on a 5 minute
you might want to back up.
I'm not even joking.
What's going on with your headlights?
He sprayed
That's
it.
the
Oh.
spray.
I'll use them. I want to see that.
I
Hey,
can't.
You have to wait.
It's a 5 minute cooldown.
That's hilarious.
It just blew up, dude.
What?
Yeah, we literally just watched it shoot out.
It just blew everything up. It just got everything wet.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, it was cleaned it so well, huh?
Yeah, exactly. No, it's
Because
fucking...
you're supposed to be driving.
Yeah.
Hey,
Damn,
you
that-
just gotta get a Volvo. It has the wipers on there.
Yeah. All right, there they are. Looks decent. Fills in pretty good. Got that meat on there. What do you guys think, bro? That looks pretty good, actually. Over there. Oh, shit. Looks good. I'm gonna test it out. There she goes. All right, boys. Back in the car, just broken the brakes a little bit. Hard stops. It's kind of crazy. They feel really good, actually, especially when you brake hard, man. They definitely brake. But yeah, right now we're headed to a GTI meet, Minnesota Mark 7. I'm co-hosting with Al, GTI, obviously, with the XL on 5150. 540 the wheel, and I'm back. I'm gonna be a little late because it took a little longer than I thought, but here we are. Let's go. Well, that's why you're so off. Check out the new wheels, bro. We should have. What's up? Dang, there's a lot here. There's like 6, 7.
Not as many as I was hoping, but.
There's a decent amount.
I was just saying there's like 40 people in our fucking group, and then only, this many
9
people.
show up.
Yeah.
Nice. What's up, dude? Me? To who? Oh, damn, looks good.
If I wouldn't have sold them, huh?
Yeah. And you would have been rubbing.
Damn, dude, it looks really good. It's so clean.
Every fucking little bump.
You feel them?
Oh yeah.
You have space. What offset are your fucking wheels?
They're 18 by 9.5, 35.
Yeah, dude, I think I said 9.5.
You need some more offset.
What?
You know, just dude.
What?
To
People-
go faster.
What?
Bag it.
Yeah, totally. No way, dude. It already sits decent.
Huh?
It already sits good.
People have accused John.
I'm not,
of doing that too.
not trying to bag it.
I mean, I think every tuner probably does
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
I wish I got gold, man.
Yeah, they.
It looks so.
Yeah.
No. They
So Jose,
Alright, we're good here. I'll roll out if we get some runs in, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have my.
I had to hold my hand through my rear brakes.
Alright, guys, well. So I wasn't able to get much. I had my GoPro on me, so that was kind of a problem. But yeah, guys, got a couple good runs in. It does hook pretty well. I'm gonna record a little bit of me driving later, so you guys can see how good it hooks. But honestly, guys, great setup. As you can tell, we did General G-Max in the back, Konig Hypergram, and I did do a stud conversion, and it has the. So then I just got some longer lug nuts to fit that, so fits really good. And the car, you know, it's actually surprising. I don't have that much wheel gap there. And the front is a lot. This is really good too. Very little wheel gap. I did the rotors and the brake pads, stop tech, slotted, and just street pads, same things, conversion. And yeah, man, I think it looks really good. They look meaty as hell. I'm excited because I really don't have issues hooking up from like a 40 or a 30. It just takes off. I need to get better fuel in it though, because I didn't really mix it well. I can tell the knock was like at 4 yesterday, but luckily I only filled it up to halfway, so it's not that bad. I'm just gonna run out the fuel and then do it right, but I was in a rush to get there. And yeah, man, and we got the lip here, as you can tell. Guys, I don't know. I mean, you guys tell me what you guys think about it. You know, what do you guys think? Does it look good? Did you like the other setup better? I personally think this looks really good. I do like the meaty setup. You know, I was kind of nervous that the fitment was going to be good, but apparently it fits just right, guys. You know, it doesn't stick out too far. Kind of tucks a little bit back here, but it fits really good. So I'm going to put a link in the description of all the stuff I have, the stud conversion, the lug nuts, the wheels, just Konig Hypergram 17x8 with the 45 offset, I think. And the tires, 245, 45, 17 all the way around. NT555r2 on the front. General G-Max RS in the back. And yeah, man, so, oh, and then I got an eBay lip. So yeah, guys, well, this is gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys in the next one. Peace.